Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2021 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Alright, I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. Everything here is in excellent condition in the front. Let's move on to the driver's fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver door. There are no scratches or dents on this door at all. Everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine. No dents, no scratches on here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Alright, the spoiler looks fine. There are no scratches on it, no dents. Along the back, everything is fine as well. There are no scratches. The back bumper is perfect. Everything here is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. No dents, no scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger door. I'm not seeing anything wrong with this door at all. Everything here looks perfect. Now the last fender and wheel. Excellent. No scratches, no dents on the fender. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Alright, let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Passenger side is in excellent condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Alright, I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Everything looks perfect. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Excellent. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the steering wheel buttons, and the leather and stitching around the steering wheel looks perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. And now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.